Hello, this is part 2, Attach Gun, third person character. Add the FPS weapon bundle to your project. This is a first-person blueprint template. I named it first person. You're going to need to create this template because we're going to use some of the assets that are under the first-person directory. Texture. The first-person crosshair is what we're going to use. I'm going to show you how to migrate this using Windows File Explorer. On the left side is the first-person content directory. On the right hand side is the aim offset content directory. You need to copy the first person directory and paste it into the aim offset content directory. Under content, FPS weapon bundle, weapons, meshes, AR4. If you're going to use SK_AR4 skeleton, it doesn't have a muzzle. So if you double click SK_AR4X skeleton, it has a muzzle. So select this and copy selected socket. And then double click SK_AR4 skeleton and highlight V-gun muzzle flash and paste sockets, and then save this. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, double click UE4 ASP character, and then under FPS Weapon Bundle, find Meshes AR4 directory, then drag SK_AR4 skeletal mesh here, and then drag it under mesh. Expand this window, highlight SK_AR4, go to viewport, under parent socket, click here, search for hand, select hand_R, change this to 1 and this one to 5. You have to adjust the gun into the hand of the character. You can change it later if you don't have it positioned correctly. That looks good for now, and compile and save that. Under Content, add new folder. I'm going to name this Aim Offset, but you can call it anything you want. Right click and under User Interface, select Widget Blueprint. I'm going to name this Player HUD. Double click Player HUD, drag in an image, under Appearance Image, select First Person Crosshair and drag this over the image, and then hold the control and select the center, and then hold shift and select center, and then size to content. And then compile and save and close this. Under Edit, Project Settings, go down to Input. Under Action Mapping, add Action Mapping. Name this Sheet. Then under Mouse, select the left mouse button, then close this. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, double click UE4 ASP character. There's 3 blueprints that you need to program. DShoot is a custom event. There's 2 parameters, start and end, and they're both vector. To get the custom event, you right click and search for custom event, then name it DShoot. On line trace by channel, change trace channel to camera, draw debug type to persistent. To get this player camera, you drag in player camera from here. This value is 1500. This class is player HUD. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test. You can see that the crosshair goes through the back of the player. So I'm going to have to adjust the camera to fix that issue. I'll show you how to do that next. I'm going to press the Shoot button, and you can see the debug line trace in red. Double click UE4 ASP character, highlight camera boom. I'm going to change the target arm length to 100. And on location, I'm going to change the Y value to 30. And then highlight player camera. I'm going to change the Z value to 50 and compile and save. Press play to test. Now you can see the crosshair doesn't go through the back anymore. I'll press shoot and you can see the line trace in red. And I'll show that the character runs correctly. And you might have to adjust it more depending on how you like it, but this seems to be working pretty good.